I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curd lassi, a delightful and refreshing Indian beverage. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have on hand. This classic drink is incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for any time of day. Get ready to create a creamy, delicious lassi in just a few minutes, perfect for cooling down or enjoying with a meal. Now let's get to the blending. Take 1 cup of fresh, chilled curd and add it to your blender. Next, incorporate about 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjusting to your sweetness preference. Pour in approximately 1/2 cup of cold water to help achieve that perfect, drinkable consistency. Blend everything on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds until it's wonderfully smooth and frothy. While a classic lassi is fantastic, don't hesitate to get creative with variations. For a fruity delight, blend in fresh mango or banana pieces. If you prefer a savory option, a pinch of roasted cumin powder adds a unique depth of flavor. You can also enhance the aroma with a few drops of rose water or a dash of cardamom. The possibilities are truly endless for customizing your perfect drink. Once your lassi is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Pour the creamy, frothy beverage into tall glasses right away. For the best experience, ensure it's well chilled, especially if you're enjoying it on a warm afternoon. This traditional Indian drink is not only delicious, but also incredibly refreshing. Sip and savor this delightful homemade treat, knowing you've created something wonderful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.